it's so good. I know I have this one big. I think I'm still squeeze with that one. Of course, I'm gonna leave my epoxy in here. This is so good, chat. So we have 24, 25, 29 cans that's about to go in. I have 33 available to sell out, chat. I am doing 10 or more cans at $1.50.
I know there's a season for everything.
It actually saves you $5. I might have to mix this up before I squeeze. Thank you. The deal is pretty good, huh? I have 33 left. If anyone would like to send, let me know. Liquid's going in, yes. I was like, where's my horse? The laundry is sold out, love. Thank you, Miss Dion. Thank you, love. Hard to know. Monica, this is your favorite pan panada. There's nothing else that's left for sale, love. Do y'all think I should get on again on Friday? Thank you so much. Yes, but afternoon? Yeah, it would have to be in the afternoon. Do I have any more going in? We got 62 cans going in and 2 more jugs. Hi Myra, thank you for the heart me. I think I grabbed just enough to offset the powder. Yeah, they're like the medium-sized jugs, so they're not like the super big ones, but still. Let me see what the comments. Hi. Hi. Give me a couple seconds, y'all. I'm pouring the powder in, so I'm not really paying attention to the comments at the moment. If you're new here and you love seeing overloads, powder play, laundry play, all that stuff, I'll go ahead and hit that follow. Hey Lori. Hey Miss Lady. I think I'm gonna be going live on Friday evening. Well, it depends. Have to see like what my husband's work schedule is like. Be like, hold on, let me go after this. Let me go get some stuff and let me come back and let me do live again. I'll play. That would be a lot. Hey, Michaela. Is it Michaela? I can't really see. Jazz, I'm sold out. If that's what you were saying. I know, I can't wait for Lori's live. Her 25K live. Yeah, no, I love me some Lori. On Saturday. She's my favorite creator. Thank y'all for coming in here and interacting with me. This feels thick. Hey, Peaches. I love when it's like the same, like, I love new people all the time, of course. But when it's like the same group of people that come in every time, I just feel like grateful, like, dang, like I really do it for you. Like, that is so sweet. Hey, Athena. Like, even if you're not here the whole time, like, I don't expect that, but if you're here like most of my lives, almost every time I'm live, that's like, wow. Thank you, Dee. Lori will probably never come to Texas, and I'll probably never go to Washington. But that's okay. I know, the collab of my dreams. Oh wait, I think I asked y'all if y'all had any plans this weekend, but I think I went by that so fast because I think I got the puzzle. Do y'all have any plans this weekend? Are y'all going out? Is it a birthday? Do you have a wedding to go to? Hey, Scorpio. Oh, interesting.